Hello guys, this is for medication for you have a flu and kind of it's a good medicine if you have a flu. I bought this one. This is in the plant that grow somewhere. It's elderberry. We call it elderberry. It's good treatments and just only good for one time boiling because it turned brown. And if you want to boil it twice, it turn good like a blue. So it's only good for one time boil and drink it and put some honey. And it's very useful benefits. If you have some kind of flu and something kind of cold, this is a good medicine. So this is I provide for my husband. Some medication for him from right there. So I get the water and let's go, and then I'm gonna drain the water. So the water, and that's the pot. So pot right there, pot right there. So I don't know. Then drain the water. So I make a slow down the fire right there. So anyway guys, so I'm draining the elderberry because I wash it. So let me drain it with thing. I wash it twice. It's very effective. No medication, no chemicals. Just only for nature. If you have a flu or something of infection, this is health benefits like cold and flu, anti something, elderberry, lots of benefits just by nature. This is a treatment. See, let's go over there guys and put the elderberry. So I give it to my husband. So right there, let it boil and it turned violet. This is a seed. It's a seed guys. Me, I don't take medicine. I use find on the garden or yard and find some useful benefits. There's no side effects, no nothing, only for plants. I believe in nature and plants is very powerful medications and don't cost too much money. No doctors, no nothing. Right there. So it will turn in violet. So we're gonna let it boil more and it turn violet. See you later guys. Hello guys, it's our elderberry is ready to go now. It's turned to violet and right there. So make sure no seeds. So I do this like this. So right there guys, I got the pot. It's turned violet. See? This is good for only one time. So when I keep boiling and when I strain, this is I do. So the seeds don't drain. So we're gonna put preserve for the later. And we're gonna get the honey. Here's the honey guys. I'm gonna put some, probably make it 2 scoops or 2.5. So right here. I smell like a honey. This is the honey that we got from, so it's already ready guys. To the husbands, we got this honey B4 Farms, Fred, 100% pure. So If you want a honey, this is his phone number, 832-445-9468. This is a good honey, and he got also pecan. This will only buy for him. And thanks for watching. I hope help for your health treatment. Bye.